My name is Camille McMillan. I was a General Motors worker. I was a journeyman electrician and an infrared specialist. I have had 3 corrupt cases in Oakland County, Michigan. 1 case is in the workers' comp and the workers' comp appellate court. The other case is in the civil court. The first case was originally a class action status case against GM with 15 litigants. Judge John James McDonald decertified the class action status, reducing us to individual claims. He then granted summary disposition to GM on all claims. Not 1 case made it through his court. Although GM admitted discrimination against me because I have MS, Judge McDonald called it an isolated incident. The judge wrote I had to pursue damages at workers' comp level. My 271-page deposition was reduced to 163 pages, a 40% reduction. GM won due to the corruption of the judge and attorneys. My attorney, Richard Terrell Taylor, was disciplined by the Attorney Discipline Board for his actions in my case. Workers' comp was more of a nightmare. The judge, Melody Ann Page, allowed the case to linger for 5 years. As of now, it has been 9 years in workers' comp. GM and I reached an out-of-court settlement October 15, 2007. GM breached the agreement January 2008. GM demanded I accept 1/3 less and shut up about what happened to me. I refused and Ms. Page tried the case. She then lied and twisted whatever I had to say around. She took the union grievances I filed and said the union found no cause. The supervisor wrote no cause, not the union. The union did not help me. She also immediately insulted my husband. She began by telling me I could not give her testimony of what was said directly to me. I believe Ms. Page told GM not to settle and she would take care of it. I left my job due to mental stress. I had alcohol, drug-fueled males threatening to kill me. GM management, and as I stated, and the UAW did nothing to help me. I raised consumer and personal safety concerns, and they wanted to silence me. The only evidence produced was by the psychologist who removed me from the hostile environment. The judges at the work comp level and the appellate level all used my MS against me. They all claim I left work due to the MS, although I did not miss 1 day of work due to the MS. Even if I had wanted to, I could have gone through the ADA Act, but I never filed because I didn't need it. GM did not produce 1 iota of evidence proving I left because of the MS. I had to give GM paperwork on why I left work, and it did not say MS. Each judge gave their twist to my story, and the final judgment had nothing to do with the original claim. All the judges just seemed to want to protect GM, who was blatantly discriminating against women, minorities, and people with disabilities. This is the deposition, a copy of the deposition my attorney used. He received this from the GM attorney. This is my copy of the deposition that I bought myself. Notice there are no marks in it. This is my book. As you notice, it says Corruption in Michigan Judicial System. This was on the front cover of the Free Press. I was in this case. These are part of the 15 litigants. This is a little bit my union did do, which certified that they found a case of discrimination. This is Judge McDonald's opinion. The date here is June 18th. My case was heard June 16th. But I never made it into his courtroom. I never saw Judge McDonald at all. No judge had a problem with any of this. They didn't see why I would be upset. My workers' comp judge, this is the original memo, and this is her statement. This says that our superintendent found the noose and he removed it. Ms. Page said that I found the noose and I removed it and untied it. This is the statement between the attorneys when we settled the workers' comp case October 15th of 2008. These are redemption dates set by the workers' comp, so they knew. This is part of the original letter I wrote to GM asking them to help me. And these are the people I CC'd it to. These are return receipts to prove that General Motors received my letter. I think I showed this one. They said I shouldn't have a problem with this. This is what they posted in my locker. This is another part of my book. This is General Motors' policy on lockout. I was told I could not lock out equipment for my safety. As a matter of fact, it states here, with full lockout, the odds are nearly 100% that you will not be hurt or killed by the release of unexpected energy. Without full lockout, the odds are that you will be hurt or killed. But I was denied lockout rights by my general foreman. And this is a copy of my book that I am about to revise because I have to add in these last 2 chapters. And unfortunately, this is not that clear, but this is the guy that threatened to kill me, and he OD'd on drugs while on the clock. This is my workers' comp statement. This is from the last one from the appellate court. Now, the commissioner, he was against me the first time. The other 2 judges were replaced by 2 more, and he wrote the lead opinion. Now, he was already against me, so did I actually think I was going to get a fair statement with him? No. He went as far as to say that because their judge did not do what he was supposed to do on remand, I have no proof. Why is that my fault? Their judge didn't do his job. This is my attorney's reprimand. The Attorney Grievance Commission reprimanded him for his actions in my civil case. He is now running for Pontiac judge. This is the class action case, and these are the original 15 litigants. Not one litigant made it through Judge John James McDonald's court. He granted summary disposition to GM on everything. All the discrimination they did, we had the work of nooses, KKK outfits, Confederate flags, swastikas. If there was a sign of hate, they had it at this particular plant. The union didn't do anything, GM didn't do anything, and GM's vice presidents didn't do anything. These independent medical examiners, they are ashamed. They also lied on me. I took my husband in with me, and the magistrate's claims of my workers' comp claims that the independent medical doctor said that I left the job because of my MS. Never said such a thing and would have better sense than to say such a thing.